Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 10th question of the HCF and LCM chapter. So question says, what is the largest number which on dividing 37, 57 and 137 leaves the same remainder in each case? So let that number be k, the largest number which on dividing these numbers leaves the same remainder. So let that number be k. So I can write 37 is equal to k into quotient 1 plus remainder r. Similarly 57 will be k into quotient 2 plus remainder r. Remainder is same in both the cases. Finally 137 is equal to k into quotient 3 plus remainder r. Again remainder is same in all the cases, quotients will be different. Now if I have to remove remainders, what do? I subtract this from this first of all. So I'll do 57 minus 37. What will that be equal to? That will be equal to k into quotient 2 minus quotient 1. Okay, the r will get cancelled. So 57 minus 37 is k into quotient 2 minus quotient 1. If I do 137 minus 57, so 137 minus 57, that will be equal to k into quotient 3 minus quotient 2. And finally if I do 137 minus 37, what do I get? K into quotient 3 minus quotient 1. This is what we get. So what is 57 minus 37? That is 20. So I'll quickly write over here. K into Q2 minus Q1 is equal to 20. Then k into Q3 minus Q2, that will be 137 minus 57. So it will be 50 and 130 is 80. So it is 80 here. This is 80 here. And finally k into Q3 minus Q1, k into Q3 minus Q1 will be 137 minus 37 is 100. Now if I just look at this thing, so what I'll do is you just copy this. So if I just look at this thing over here in the next screen, so if I'm just looking at this thing over here, so now over here I have in this box entire, I have basically what I'm doing is, what is the common factor between them? K is the common factor between them. K is the common factor. I have to find the maximum value of k possible, because the question is what is the largest number which one dividing. So k is a common factor of these 20, 80 and 100. K is the common factor of 20, 80 and 100, and k has to be maximum such number. What that means is that k equals HCF of 20, 80 and 100. Okay, this would mean that k is equal to HCF of 20, 80 and 100. Now if I find 20, 80 and 100, highest common factor has to be 20 here. Okay, you can actually prime factorize and find it out, but if you look at it, 80 is a multiple of 20, 100 is also a multiple of 20. So 20 has to be the highest common factor among these terms. So that means k is equal to 20, which is HCF of 20, 80 and 100. So 20 over here is the right answer. So what is the largest number which on dividing these numbers leaves the same remainder? The number is 20. Okay. Had the question asked further that what is that same remainder? It leaves the same remainder, but what is that same remainder? So you just do 37 by 20, the remainder is 17. Even if you do 57 by 20, the remainder is 17. And if you do 137 by 20, again the remainder is 17. Okay, so over here answer is 20, but if question is asked the same remainder will be 17. Okay, all right. So that is how you solve this question.